Hello everyone, Sandeep Banerjee here. Welcome to my channel. In this channel, I'm going to talk about different technology products and how those can be utilized for betterment of our life. Today I wanted to share some of the tips related to MS Excel which can help you to save good amount of time and it will help you to be more productive. In this video, if you find any of the topic you already know, please feel free to skip to next step. In the description, I added all those timelines so that you can glance through different tips as per your requirement.
We are going to discuss about one of the hidden feature of MS Excel, and that can be useful in some of the scenarios. And let's see that how we can use it. This feature name is camera tool, and how we can use it. So let's see one scenario. If you see in this particular tab, I named it as camera tool. I have also three other tabs available here: camera tool 2, camera tool 3, and camera tool 4. If you have a requirement that there are certain data available in these separate tabs, and if we wanted to take a print of all three tabs in a single page, then what will we do? One option is that you may copy these individual tables and you can just paste it here in a new worksheet and you take a printout. But there are certain limitations on that and it's a manual approach. So let's see how we can use this particular feature here. First of all, this particular feature is not available in your menu bar, so we need to add it separately. Let us just locate this small drop down here. This is the quick access toolbar. For me, I always use these features all the time. That is why this is already populated. For your case, you may find this drop down here in this left side of the page. You click on this drop down and go to more commands. Here a pop-up will come. In this pop-up, you can see that this particular drop-down talks about popular commands. Let us click on this drop-down. There, select all commands. So it will show all available commands which can be used. Now let us just scroll down and find camera. So it should be here. This is the camera. And you add it here. So another icon will get added in your title bar. So let's click OK. This hidden feature of camera tool we now added in our Excel sheet so that we can use this. Now let us go to the next tab where our data is. Now let us select this particular data and click on camera tool. Once we clicked on camera tool, you can see this data has been selected now. These green markers are there, so it is selected now. And your icon also got changed to a plus sign. So let us go back to our camera tool worksheet and draw a box here. So what it will do, it's just copied the data and it's pasted as a picture. So you can see this is a picture. All these formatting options are available now, and let's keep it here. Now let us go to our next tab, camera tool 3. Again, we'll select the data. We'll click on camera tool button, and again we'll come back to camera tool and we'll draw the box here. This is the second set of data what we copied. Let's go to our third tab. Similarly, let us select the data, click on camera tool and come back in our beginning. Now here, let's draw it. Now this is our third set of data. Now we have copied all three tables and these have been copied as a picture. You can see that it's a picture and all these formatting options are coming. So Excel is considering these tables as picture and you can take a print. One beauty of this particular tool is, now let's see. Let us first see that first table, January month expense is 1000, right? So let's go to camera tool number 2 from where we copied this table. Let's change this value. Let's maybe edit it to 1. Okay. And let us come back to camera tool. You can see this got updated. So this is the beauty of the tool. In case you tried to copy it manually in a single sheet and from there you wanted to take printout or whatever way you wanted to use the data, that would have been a manual approach. This dynamic update would not have been possible. So this is one of the hidden feature. We generally don't use it, but this is a very useful one based on your scenario. In one of our earlier video, we talked about paste special and transpose option. So there is another advanced feature is there in the transpose. Let us see how that works. So let's first touch upon that what we can do in transpose. If I select this particular table and if I just copy it, let me press Ctrl C, and if I select anywhere else in this particular worksheet and I go to this little button of paste and then I click on drop down and I select this transpose button. So this particular shortcut, what it will do, it will change this row to columns and columns to rows. That's the feature of transpose, what we saw earlier in one of the video. So this is normal paste with transpose option. So if I now change this value of January week 1 from 10 to 100, my this value is not going to be changed, right? This is static. We just copied it, we pasted it, so these two are not linked. Now let's see what we can do using advanced transpose, which may be useful in some of the scenarios. So let's see how we can use it. Now we need to understand how many columns are here. So there are 3, 6, 7 columns are there, right? And how many rows are there? 5 rows. So what I need to do, I need to select this table. I need to press Ctrl C. Now these markers are visible, which means that it is copied. And now what I need to do, the 7 columns, for that I need to select 7 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many rows are there in our earlier table? 5. So I need to select 5 columns here. So 1 is already selected, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let us just check another time. I have total 7 columns here. I selected 7 rows here, right? And I had 5 rows here. I selected 5 columns here. Without clicking anywhere, if I go to this formula bar and start typing the formula equal, then transpose, then I need to select this source data, and if I press Control Shift Enter, then you can see this number got pasted here. Once you pressed Control Shift Enter, this formula also got changed and you can see this data has been pasted here. If I now change any value in the source table, if I change any value, let us talk about month of March, week number 1. If I change this value of 30 to 3000, see this particular value got changed to 3000. This is March and week 1 data. So now these two tables are linked. Whatever changes you will be making in the source table, that will get updated here. So this is advanced transpose. You can use it in different scenarios as per your requirement. And again, this will help you to save some of the time because you don't need to do that manually, whatever the updates are there in your transposed table, so that you don't need to work on manually.
Hope these tips were helpful and it will help you to save some time in your day-to-day work. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please also hit subscribe button so that you will get notifications once I will release any new video on these topics. Please also feel free to comment if you have any opinion or any specific point you want me to cover. If you wanted to learn more about Excel tips, I have a full course available which are available in Udemy and SkillShare. I also attached a link below using which if you join to SkillShare, you will get 2 months of free subscription without any charges. SkillShare is an excellent platform where not only my courses, with those access you will be able to explore different other courses as per your interest and requirement. Thank you for watching this video. We'll see you in one of my next video.